While we celebrate success on the field, we also recognize that our responsibility to players extends far beyond the final whistle. The true strength of our rugby organization is measured not only by its achievements in competition, but by how it cares for its people throughout their lives. Today, we proudly launched the Fiji Rakavi Foundation, a commitment to ensuring that our players, both men and women, continue to receive support long after their playing careers have ended. Through the foundation, we aim to provide access to education pathways, medical assistance, rehabilitation services, transition programs, and welfare support for former players who have given so much in service to Fiji Rugby.
I was wondering why we cannot just let our players of today develop into after rugby successful people. And it dawned on me that it might be that we played amateur rugby. Rugby was not a career. Rugby was not a profession. It was not professional. So we had to think about what would happen to us after rugby. We know that many of our colleagues, many of our younger players had to just fade away. We don't want them to fade away. We want them to keep on striving. And we thank people like those that are making the change for us, coming forward and partnering us in that development of post-rugby player careers. So we congratulate them, we welcome them on board. They're not only part of developing our rugby players' future in non-rugby or non-sports areas, they are developing the senior people management cadre of Fiji. We'll be managing politics, we'll be managing companies, managing schools, and managing provinces and so on. That's what they can do after rugby. But at the beginning, we need such great people as those that have come forward tonight to join with us in this launch. We congratulate you, we thank you, and we wish you well. Thank you very much.
So firstly, I'd like to acknowledge all the work that has been done by previous administrators, previous board members, previous trustees, previous CEOs, administrators and management, and also former players. As we always say, we stand on the shoulders of giants. And tonight we witness how rugby has transformed over the years to where it is tonight. So I pay my respect to those who've been before us. And I also acknowledge and embrace the present, making use of the opportunities that's available to us at hand, acknowledging the partnership and the contribution that each and every one of us make and are here tonight. And what's really, really important is how we work together in partnership to take rugby forward. But not only rugby, we hope to continue to evolve in a way where we can also share the knowledge, the experience to other sports, and also for the building of our nation.